This program contains content that may not be suitable for viewers under the age of 18. Viewer discretion is advised.
Omukazi wenna ng'osussa emyaka 25 kati kwasatu tosuubirayo omusajja okubeera nga gwe first wife tosirowooza nkuddemu oba otegeere omukazi wenna ng'osuuka emyaka 25 ng'olimu 3 kimanyi nti amaka gagenda okujjamu olinayo bajjabo either waliyo abaana ba musajja bw'oba toliirodde kulera abaana ba musajja please shut up. What are you de kufumba na bajjabo? Please keep quiet. Sigale wa mufumbirwa kitaawo. Genda wezalira kalenzi kakuleka kweyaga.
Welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. It's a Monday. Tugenda mukulayira kwa President Trump. Yagambye yasoose kukomyawo TikTok. Ekyokubiri naga nti nga yakayingira office bati bebasiba abali bekalakasa ku lulwe ku Capitol Hill. Abo bagenda funa ekyobakolera ffenna tujja kusiima. N'avaayo n'agamba borders mwabasalimba obusalimbi nkugambi. Anyway, tusoose ne ka video yako kati emyaka gy'okugwa mu laavu oba waayi kasita mukazi munnammwe yabeegambidde. Anyway, moving into KFM in the next 2 minutes I think. Enakuba njogera luzungu. Thank you very much once again. Thank you. Ninakuba njogera luzungu. You know, people think, you know, there is something you people have. You think we are at the same level. We are not. We are not at the same level. Somehow your head gives you that, you know, that guy can't speak good English. You know, it's like, you know, no, don't do it. Save yourself the embarrassment. Don't do it. Anyway, the video will be coming to you at 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. 6 p.m. and you'll be catching me. I know there are people who say, "Kasegment commander ako kasuku banangenze." That is, for me, that is all. And if you don't come on Monday, okay, yeah. So, you know, ye KFM slot ya fejit call every Monday. Erije mulaba kusawa satu sigero tugitadde satu kitundu ya big size show. A big size show, by the way, happens. I know most times people, you see videos on TikTok and you ask atako yakakoze ddi. So weekdays 9 a.m. These days it's a bit slow to turn 9:30, 9:15, but 9 berako 9 a.m. in the morning to that to Z. Right Now app. So download the Right Now app. So lokubera nti ate ogenda gy'oyagala. Right Now, let's go. Big size show powered by Right Now app. So yeah. So mbeera waawo. For now, ngenda kusooka mbalekere omwami ono abaana balaze love. People being in love is a good thing. Oh. Singa abakazi batukwata bwe batyo nafumbye naye olumaze okunaaba tolidde nafumbye emmere yange obuzibu ki nti nkooye bambi kwegamba abaana bakusigira ekifaananyi nga laavu bwe yandifaananyi naye oddayo eka mukazi aboggola ovaawa olina stress zo abalala batuuka eyo n'otandika ate washawalidde emmere fe tufumba emmere wano temulya mmere sijja kuddamu bifumbayo nenkwata gye kano ka video kabawe ekyokuyigga. These people are in love. Bamukwata keno bamuweweeta beba abakazi bootuuka n'omuganga muweka love for wampoomera naye abakazi mubeere eyo mu bwatuka bubwatusiro. Anyway, kamweka video kano, you pick a leaf, then when we return it's gonna be the shit, man. Yeah, it's gonna be the shit. Don't touch it.
Honey. Nchimanya kwa myoko ipomazo na batolidde emmere yange. Nda kusabaza okukolya ku mmere.
Ndi mukofu.
Wanje.
Ndi mukofu.
Waliddewo. Waliddewo.
Sinalya naye ndi mukofu just.
Oba tuloto tukuluma.
Basimanyi.
Nda kusabaza okukolya. Yes. Honey?
What's up, baby?
Oh. Kale jamanya Katonda. Kokawe baki.
Njafoka kubuulira sina Katonda.
Hey. Omuntu alina gy'alidde oba omulaba. Omuntu alina gy'alidde oba omulaba.
Sina gy'alidde.
Kati mbadde nkusabooza okukeenya.
Ngenda kanywa ku makya.
Kale ki kati nkuwa eki kyoyagala.
Kyojagala.
Tasika omukka.
Ngenda kusaba kyenjagala. Honey.
Nse.
Mbadde njagala.
I'm waiting.
Mpaka baby.
Baby, ayagala bumeka.
Njagala bubiri.
Ayagala focus alongo.
Njagala nabala bisasi.
Nga 14 February ku Valentine's Day ku Sheraton Gardens Kampala. Tugenda kweyagala paka kuwulira bubi. Eno ye Valentine yennyini. The Love Memories Concert ne Honorable Geoffrey Lutaya. The legendary Honorable Geoffrey Lutaya agusa mutalyerabira. It is an evening of love, laughter and music. Okuyingira shinje mutwalo 15 emmezi ya milioni 3 nga 15 ali ku Brado Hotel mukono mutwalo gumu. Kuna mkaga Maria Frema Saka emitwalo 2 abiri mu February Darena Zekawanda abiri mu 2 ekyotera Kasambya omutwalo gumu abiri mu Saturday Nsite Mtiana omutwalo gumu. Ono ye Uganda's music legendary Afro pop soft voice writer ebyana mubiyete. The Love Memories Concert ku Sheraton Gardens Kampala ne Honorable Geoffrey Lutaya ku Valentine kyekivulu kyokka mu Kampala. Biwagidwa Iron M Bank Tanyuka TV Ntake Super Cooking Oil
paka last time chindi
ne MTN.
Together we're unstoppable.
Ensonga z'ettaka ensangi zino zafuuka nzibu okwewala katembo oyo yenna. Duka mu Honest Estate Developers ofune ettaka eritaliiko ndooliito. Baguddewo estate zaabwe empya omuli Gayaza Kiwenda Phase 5, Mabombwe Phase 6 ne 7 ne Gobero Nampunge. Songa ne mu estate zaabwe enkadde poloti esigaddeyo ntono ddala. Hoima Road ng'Ennansana Bujuuko, Namusera Bugembe, Namusera Phase 3, Kachiri Mwera, Kachiri Magogo, Gobero Muguruka Phase 1 and 2, Wakiso Kasengejje ne Kachiri Simba Mannyo. Ku Lwentebe balina Nakawuka 0 Phase 4 ne Sissalutaba Expressway ate Namugongo Sonde ne Namugongo Misindye. Amazzi n'amasannyalaze weegali bw'ogula kyapa ku mmeeza tuzimba n'okutunda amayumba agawedde. Honest Estate Developers tusange ku Martin Road mu Kampala okumpi ne roundabout ya Aga Khan ku Mankeshwa Building. Essimu noti 772 57 28 73 oba noti 7 57 28 73.
They will copyright us. You see, the man is trying to impress Pfizer. So Muslims have al-Muslim. Omusilamu muganda wa musilamu. Era sebo bula toberanga ekatigwe tokyakwana. Naenda gwa toberanga. Nokwana omusilamu munne najja noloza you stand in
kusigalawo.
Akwata bukwasi line emu mu Qur'ani nagiza mu Luwarabu. Najogera ngagigamba oli mu Luwarabu. Gotola ati Pfizer tagugumuka. omwana jje wanakimukube mu Luwarabu olyoka olabe firimu. It is that simple. So but Pfizer is not your type.
Ajamugaga bismillah.
Pfizer, by the way, Pfizer moved into chubby men.
Wow.
From just the latest experience, the guy was your size. And he's like, nah. He doesn't cut it out for her. Yeah. Not so, Pfizer?
Let's get on it.
Am I lying? Anyway.
It's Set It from Diana Chords and AJ playing for you on 933 KFM. Better information and the best music. Hey, it's a Monday, 20th of January 2025. And it's a Monday that, of course, as always, we have the pleasure of Kuku's company.
Yes.
Kuku, good morning.
Good morning, Pfizer. How are you?
We're good. How are you?
Not bad at all. I was telling Brian here earlier that this whole thing you're doing, dieting and you know plus you only cook green diet, right?
No, not really.
Because I'm seeing you eating cucumbers alone.
I eat cucumber every day.
No, for breakfast it's very recommended. Yeah, it's filling and also
it's filling.
Yeah, it has fiber, Brian.
Oh, but that cucumber also, as you get it to peel it, you feel its size. It is recommended that you follow suit.
Wow.
As you make certain life choices.
I don't think there's anyone who has. That would be abnormal.
But of course, okay. It's in the morning, so let me leave it at that. Maybe one day if we have the evening show, I will ask Brian some questions about how she holds it. But for now, let's stick to what brought us. But Pfizer was saying that you're really looking good. You just look at her like that.
Thank you so much.
Could you like just stand up a bit?
Wakati oyawula.
I want to have audio visual.
You can kuyawula.
Then turn around a bit. Oh. Uncle Bula, you see,
now you can see every.
You can see every aspect.
That
season single. So you can see Pfizer. You can see your neck. It is single. You can see the chest. The chest is also separate. Then you're getting car waist.
The what?
Not like no. Here one.
The tires.
Yeah, one. No, she doesn't have the tires anymore. She one. Buto. It's becoming flatter. Then the car waist we can see, and of course, Luri, your hips were hiding in the bum. Now the bum is separate from the hips. Tomaiti abantu bangi o abera nga hips ne bina byekwesomo ne bagamba bate ekiwala ogamba muserebe ne muwana wachi. Yes, but now you've separated. In Luganda they say oyawudde. You can see the hips and the bum bum. It is interesting times, Pfizer.
Yeah.
It is very interesting. Era omuntu yenna atakufuneko mu version this is the best version of you. You are dealing with the past.
Yeah.
Yes. The latest version of Pfizer is like edibles.
Oh.
You're looking every bit.
Thank you so much.
And that's where I tell you.
Oh, thank you. Thank
you.
you.
What does that mean?
That I'm seeing you. So, good morning, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Monday really bothers me. I'm thinking, I'm contemplating, can't we shift this thing to Tuesday?
No.
Which really has to be
We want you to come out. How was yesterday?
I want you to
How
unpack
was
the
Sunday
weekend for
you?
us.
Brian, I know where you're trying to go. Nate, don't overknow me. Tomanyira no suka or no coma. Just so you know.
Sunday have a date.
Just leave it at that. So, okay, let's start from Trump. Trump is swearing in today. As the 47th president of the US of A. But the guy is thorough. Yagambye asokera ku borders. Yabadde bayingira. Business is done. immediately he enters, is going to pardon Bariba Gaya Karakasa on his behalf when they allegedly rigged his votes. Then he's going to work on the borders. Then he also restored TikTok.
He just they are waiting.
TikTok yazeko,
but TikTok will be sold for sure.
No, they say they will buy shares in it.
Of America, but Jajigura.
But okay, but
because it's funny that the things that TikTok is doing, when it is an American company that does the same things, they don't raise dust. So I think for them
they say it's a Chinese company.
What they don't want. So the Chinese law says if the government sends you an instruction to hand over all information, there is no debating.
You just give
There's
it.
There's no going to court. You have to hand over. So America is like, if at any point President Xi tells TikTok, hand over all data
of Trump,
of America, TikTok US,
just gives it.
They will do it, and no one can blame them because that's the law under which they ByteDance, the parent company, operates. So it makes sense, but
it's actually interesting that TikTok is banned in China.
It is.
They have a version,
an equivalent of it.
They have a version.
But
which one? Likey?
No, Red Note is the equivalent.
Red Note is the TikTok.
Okay. But of course, when things are debated up there, you try to look at the angle of here.
I saw a lady yesterday who said government should also consider in Uganda perhaps doing the same thing.
Banning.
Which lady is
that? Uganda nadala wa government bewala kulaba akikozeeko. The way things are going on TikTok, the way people are radical on TikTok.
Yeah.
2026
it might be off.
Not 26.
No.
By around August.
Soon.
Rakubanti, what's on TikTok? The only way TikTok may survive is most people I see bevuma bino byabwe. Tebevuma bya government. Bevuma byabwe. Oli akusanga brand na kuteka kama tu na kuvuma sima yabe wa mwemba manyi muri na basezi biki bigena masawo.
Because you guys, the most...
but these ones who are abusing the president.
They're on Twitter.
Well, didn't they come from TikTok?
There are also those that came from TikTok.
But the most problematic discourse is on Twitter. I would say it's on Twitter. Discourse that basically would maybe worry them a bit. But otherwise, TikTok...
Twitter, mogera just luzungu. You are of no impact. Now, just speaking English and exposing how you have failed to share donor money.
We have Netflix unveiled a new season of Young, Famous, African. Very interesting episodes.
Absolutely.
Guys, there's no word rich in that title.
Young,
people
Famous,
call it Young, Rich and African. No.
Young, Famous, African. So there is a part where Diamond assured us that why do you say I still want the woman when I can?
He said that why should I fight over something which I can have?
Anytime I want, I just snap a finger.
I felt that's when I felt angry.
Yes.
On behalf of Shakib.
And that is where we now bring back the conversation of co-parenting. Is it a myth? It is a waste of time.
To be a myth.
There's nothing like co-parenting. The moment you hear co-parenting, you are just chasing the wind.
But
yes.
Coco, let's be serious. In comparison to Shakib and Diamond Platinum, I mean, if you put wealth aside and social influence, Shakib was probably my favorite character on this season.
Yes.
Like, do you know watching someone and understanding why Zari decided to be with him? Like, first of all, he's so emotionally mature.
Yeah.
And at the same time, the man is respectful. Like, he respects people on that set.
Yes.
I was amazed. I was like, bro,
he does not shout.
Respect, I not give out. Oluzungu olulyawo
Kasuku. Shakib speaks better English than Diamond Platnumz.
Okay.
It's just his accent, but he's very coherent.
His accent ya Munamasaka. Ojuliramu Mpuga.
Because he's Mpuga speaks Oluzungu Oluraba father.
Rabanamasakira.
Because it's like when he says these other females, I said, Mwami Lutaya.
Yaba is a females.
Mwami Lutaya. Stop it. But Mwami Lutaya, have you guys watched the confessions in the confession room?
Man.
The guy is coherent. I was so proud of Mwami Lutaya.
So proud.
Yeah.
Nze nalabye wano we baade bayombera ne Zari. Nga Lutaya lobaga yogera bichi, but his English was good there. Nga Zari, why you shouting? Is that shouting? Zari amaiche baita shouting.
That's what gaslighters do.
She's like, but may I tell you, a diamond. She's just like a diamond.
You calling me in front of Diamond is just making us look stupid.
Exactly, because you don't know how many times I've looked stupid because of you and Diamond.
Yeah, because there's nothing.
It's you who makes me look stupid, not me.
There's nothing between
It's you
me
who goes close to Diamond and you act like.
For me, I gave the issue about Diamond. I'm married with him. Like, fuck, I'm married to you.
Why do I talk about Diamond? Because of the things you do with him.
What do I do?
You know what you do. You see news, what they post about you in
we
memory.
Two fucking big East African stars, they're always doing talk about us.
You've seen videos over the internet that would really make me feel bad whenever Zari is close to Diamond. The touchy, the lovey-dovey, those funny things that they do. It becomes and holds you like his baby. Definitely, he's gonna come and play me the way he wants. He's going to disrespect me.
You just coming off so insecure.
Anyway, if you see it like that, I'm coming like not confident or insecure, it's okay.
No,
you can continue doing whatever you want to do with Diamond. I'll never talk about Diamond.
Because I'm not doing anything.
Okay, that's not what I see. That's not what the public sees. That's why it makes people insecure.
You won the prize. I am the prize. You have me. Diamond had kids with me and couldn't even settle. But you have me. I'm committed. I'm loyal. Why are we even having this conversation?
Because you keep on talking about Diamond. Did I start the name Diamond or you started it?
Because I wanted to clear it. Stop giving him power.
Stop doing the same things you do with him.
And start
I don't give him power.
You're yelling.
You give him power over our relationship.
You are yelling again. You're yelling again.
It's you putting me in a situation that makes me act the way I am acting.
For me, it's like he's just there. He's the father of my kids and that's it. Nothing more to it.
Done talking about you and Diamond. You can do whatever you want to do.
I'm married to you.
Diamond! Ngabami msajja atwageza
Shakib yagenda oluzungu ngayombye omanyi wali abantu abamu nga when they are annoyed.
Yes. Oluzungu lubula. For you Jimmy.
Oluzungu lubula.
Kati nalabye nga agamba mbu you're shouting nga the guy is as cool as it gets. Naye gwe omanyize nga navuddeko. Oh, shit.
Oluzungu lubula noyogera ebigambaawo.
Gwe galye! Olibage wamwe. Komeza nonsinikirako ebinyo byotegera bulungi. Kunjonyolo lyawo sinika ebinyo okubagana. Okubaganira kwani. Mutunuulira alinga ebyenda. Alinga ebyaye. N'omukubagana n'omutunyanga ebyenda by'ensekere. Omukazi oyina okumutabukira ddala n'amanya nti ono avuddeko kati. Ebyo baliko berimba. Hey! N'omutunuulira yenna. Alinga fulungu.
What is fulungu?
It is a bird. Naye kayina why?
Kabinyo.
Nyakikunyonyola. But you go brutal.
Bare knuckles.
Yes. Then I msajja twayogera mbo. But
okay, if you don't want me, I'll stop talking about Diamond. Respectful, Faiza, what you said. The man is. It's like okay.
Like you guys, I have so much respect for Shakib.
Yeah, me too.
But naye yafunye akasente.
I was so happy for
Netflix pays him well.
Yamsasudde.
They pay well. Alina mukuzimba eyo kigo.
Chigo.
Yeah, he's building some apartments that side.
Bah,
so now you know why he's respectful.
No.
Because minus Zari, where would he have
I
gotten
think
that
he's
money?
like that. I think he's like that. Even, when he met Diamond, he's like, you know, this is not my first time to meet you. I was a fan.
Do you know the fact that he was humble enough to admit to that? Do you know that, Brian, like the way you meet people and then they be trying to show you that Tony Wakabinyo, Tony Wachita,
but nange fans ngamumanyira. Guy, waliwo fan yomugwe nasanga. Nanga mamulondo jangu mbuze. What did you say? Me?
I also meet them.
I come and greet
this
you.
One says, Gwe Kasuku! Jango to Gwe who?
Manange, respect people.
Ngeyamba fizi ya fact. No gambo.
Yet for us, we respect you, fans.
Baitawo. But Shakib is the pure definition of Nsito Jiteka Konyomani. And I think that's where he has won from. So now, the time they shot those things was that same time with Afna issues. Zari.
When he came back here.
So they were pushing the narrative of the show.
Marketing.
But he has a boutique.
Yes, he does.
Okay.
He's doing well.
And was it serious when he said he's reviving his boxing career? He's working on boxing.
He was pushing towards that. But
Kazora yali boxing.
Kazora tomwogerako eyayogera ku fight yeeyo yalayiro mujimba tambi yajogerako naga that boy is disrespectful bichi
kubanga walaba Kazora
namusanga nga nanga I want to give my opinion nantayiza that guy ngamba why olabanza ali wano babinyinyonyola benna byogerako
naye osobola okuba Kazora
ate nga mukubira
just mu boxing match
simanyi goyo
kati gwe bakuwani
gotola filmu za China samahongo tomulaba masavu atenga gocha naye emigere gye yali akanyumba manyi oyizo okuddamu ebyo nga Kazora nafuukirawo samahongo oho nakutulisa leka sumete kaka abana bayichawa chawadda naye I'm happy for but it's interesting.
I'm proud of Mwami retired.
I hope you guys at DSTV are picking a leaf.
No, Kampala Cream is coming.
Yes.
Yeah, Kampala Cream is coming back, season 3. Yeah, we're back.
With new characters?
Muzei.
Yeah?
Okay. But we are back.
We are back.
I can confirm that the show is coming back. Yes. Yeah. It will take season breaks. Hey.
butono nnyo naye tubwogereddeko omwaka mulamba nebe wangamba abagenda okukola be bati sibalaba
wenkuyita mugundi
okimanyi nti bano sibalabanga
abo bayayi ba mukibuga
babbi nakugamba babbi nowakana
wetukuyita mu Kampala Cremoja
with the right price mba nazedda naye temunsabe okuba omukakkamu nga Shakib nze mbeera nja kunakuwemula
tujja bijja
benyiiga
tujja bijja
naye nze lyejjoogo ayikana kuba ti bakola ssente naye nze toyinza kummanya era nze mu bwakasuku bwange nengwa ku mukazi ne babeera nga Obama yaliko ekiwe nga ye baby dad era Obama mba simulabangako mba nina omuzaala wanno simweyambulira
Sake and Ghana playing for you on 933 KFM. Better information and the best music. 7 minutes on to 10 o'clock.
Yes.
There's a Monday and Cook is still unpacking the weekend for us.
I respect Mr. Rutaya Shakib.
Absolutely.
Yes, I respect. I think you did well. Shout out to Msajja wange Larry Kaju yamuambaziza.
By the way, I love the fact that the stars on the show used our Ugandan designers, because I think Zari was using Saida Beauty and Diana Vance. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But I like that. Like they hired Ugandan creators, like Ugandan designers who, you know, put them together. I think I love that for them. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Abduwasike, good morning. I hope you're doing well, and I hope life is treating you well. Thank you. Thank you. Now, King Saha was on UBC Calvin the Entertainers Show. He has been steady with the is the pure example of steady progress that this NRM government preaches about. Because Calvin has been on UBC forever.
Doing the same show.
Calvin yakali myaka ngemekoloza. Aizo kwatalinga, taizo kwate tasinga ne katso bukulu.
Calvin yo yesi watano.
Katsi ogondi Calvin the Entertainer wadda. Huyo mwana wadda.
Calvin looks young. He looks like he's 30.
Nganange siri 30 lekera wekisimu. Tokezanga no chidanga mu ekintu ekyo. Tochidanga mu kutunyiza. He looks 30.
No, but he does look
lekera
He doesn't look 30 now.
But he does look young though.
Uncle Calvin, how old are you?
Kugamba dokitali ncha mulimu ne kudwairo yangana buganyo mulaba nali ngeze mulaba kuna musabi. Bana wana ninya kungato ne memukamba konto ninya kungato. Gwe woliba n'omuntu kale nga gwe mutima gwo kitwala anti wandiba mukama we ogenda mu kujolonga
bagamba omukulu tasobya omukulu takola ki gomanya abakulu abaligwa mu mpiza abantu ensi ya discipline ng'oyagala gi earning giving respect giving gi earning ne life webeera muganda wange omuntu abaasa okusurviving emyaka 5 nga tajjawuwo mmere aba yafuuka musajja mukulu muweemu katiibwa akatini omuntu oyo gwolaba naye kennyini kimuyambe abato abajja aleme balinnyirira. Teach the generation to respect the generation.
So mwalimu ejjoogo
waliwo embeera naye nga ndaba ekula nenji communicating munda naye nga ndaba answer sigifuna esiri mwana muto ndi abava emyaka 3 ate oba nkugambe ne Yesu gye yafiirako nagiyitako ndi musajja mukulu wenjogera mba njagala ntegeerwe oba mpabulwe nze tebannumiramba kuba nange nnina emba okitegeera so abantu abamu twogera in harmony olaba jjajja Dani ono yankubira nga alina shoyi singa yali nti ta communicate nze singa embazzemu etunudde eno embazze endala ng'ekoze eki etunudde eri fe tuli basajja aboogera ekituli ku mitima naye kiri muno kya communicate nze ogamba atutta obuvunaanyizibwa n'akola ki n'acommunicate ng'oni si mwana muto okunkubira ng'alina ekivvulu kye respect gy'aba akuwadde teyakubira muto wange teyakubira neiba wange yakubira nze kennyini nangamba ninawo omukola ate nabuukinga adda sagala kutta nnaku zange nemugamba ize olaba nitukola ennaku enkulu netukuba ebivulu nga 5 buli omu ayongere kulanga kiki okitegeera tewali buzibu bwanze kondeeminga mukulu wange nangamba ekyo nsonyiwa oba kino kyantagalako oba kino nali ntamidde tetuli basajja bakulu tulina gye tusomeseza abaana ojja kukola ebintu eyo nze ngende ku sipiikidde babikole ki ate on a serious note tuli bantu bakulu tutula ku speak.
I think Faiza, I think you have a knack for older men. So you really don't, you've become complacent. You can't understand it between a 44-year-old and the 30-year-old.
I swear, like
he looks young. Go touch it down.
I think MC Katz, how old does he look? Like, let's be honest. Doesn't he look young as well?
Katz ato mala musemberera. Embazi tani sofwerenga. Enyamegene mugwa kubatomo. Age has finally caught up with his face. Yeah. Yes. Nengalo muno. Bomukwata mu ngabo obuti bugenda kuba ngoma ki. Yes. So that's like what's up. Now, Saha was on Calvin the Entertainers show, and he said he still loves Chameleon so much. However, Chameleon Mujozi, he does not communicate. Hey. Yes, said Chameleon does not communicate. The real beef with Chameleon started on Saha's birthday. Hey. I mean, Chameleon's birthday. That year of COVID, at the peak of Saha's beef with Bebe Cool, They were tight friends with Chameleon like this. Omanyi kati babeere eyo oli n'amukakasa. Can you see, Brian, the fix we have these days? I also have it. We deal with almost the same people. So you are my friend, Wasika is your friend. Now Wasika is not on talking terms with me, for example. But you assure Wasika I'm on your cause in Dinawe. And then again, you have no problem with Kasuku. So on your birthday, I bring you cake. We hug, all those things. Brotherly love. That is where Saha's problem began with Chameleon. Nagamo msajja Yuda. Yaruyimba no duyimba ba Yuda tuita nabonga is the one. That is where matters went awash.
May I have an entire song, Zakayu?
But he said he has no problem with Chameleon.
The
his only issue is the man does not communicate and is blue-black. When the sun is there, he's blue-black. When the sun is out, he's black-blue. So he doesn't understand exactly what is the problem.
How is Chameleon now?
Chameleon is having a time of a lifetime.
He's not healing?
He's living his best life.
We thought he was in hospital.
Oh, he's with the host. The host, I'm hosting the lady hosting him. One of these days, they are going to forget they kiss on camera. The PDA they are doing. Public display of affection. One of these days they will forget. I'm telling you that. We are close. The line is small.
It's zigo chiri kumpi.
Small like this.
Are you serious?
Yes. They are about to. One of these days, Uncle Bola. And I will be here to report the news. That now it has burst. Chabise. I'll tell you. Now there's a story I'm hearing about Mose Radio's land. There's an argument arising in my family now. Bagala tundako part of the land. Balekeo wana nyumba weri na amalalo. Katinya wasigadde batunde. I think things are not good. Kati bangambi waliwo abakiriza otunda, waliwo abatagala tunda. So there's a flex. But they are fighting hard. These things shouldn't come into the media. The moment I heard, I said I have to say. Because now, the news is not so newsy.
You need something.
We need something to keep us going.
It
is a fact. It is a fact. It is happening. And of course, they are going to deny. Sibitofu. You just give it time. Kanye West said, you may not be right now.
But
you see the story of Monitor they did about Mpoga.
Yes.
Negotiating the release of Segi.
And he denied it.
So you are right. But not now.
Yeah.
But not right now.
Yeah.
Yes. And it's happening a lot. I see people when I say things here, even Kasuku, you overyab. Then I remembered, I am right, but not right now.
Yeah.
It is a matter of time. I said, Kasuku, Farida Yegata, she doesn't do those things. And the way we see her, she can't be pregnant. The next, congratulations, I have doctor. I said, you're right, but not now. Oh, Shiba is pregnant. I said, I'm right, but not now. I will be right eventually. So even here, people will say, no, it's not the truth. But God will remove on them. Katoda jabavam. Bale magane. Akono no kabadde kandaki de nwanye
you'll be vindicated.
Yes.
That's the right word.
Yes. Katonda bana bavam when God removes from them. Ajabavam. Zakati ateno season. Sichayagala yadala wayiriza na kulimba. Nkugamba ekintu n'okiwakanira n'enkiwamu obudde. Kati mama nyine mama ubereyo. Deka suku yakyogerako. I sip on a Bel Air.
You know?
Yes. I say, well, 1,000 flies can't stand in the of a broom. Watch take it. So checking a sound. Luli wakwate ebintu wefula gadgets guy wano. No kwate ebintu sound inagana. That is you're looking at unemployment directly in the face. Poverty is giving you a handshake. You don't know.
Tisa.
That's the truth. Obwavu bukuwengalo oyagala zikwatamu. Ojafuna obuzibu.
Oh, that's a nice cake.
Thank you. Bino zine engatto byebisolo by'emmonda.
That's a really nice cake.
Yeah. Zino nazigula London.
Okay. Yeah.
This was London.
Yeah.
Edduka liri kumpi ne Emirates.
Faiza, yes.
Wow.
I know. This was London. And now therefore, we're going to send me back. It's up to you. Bye.
The views expressed on Kasuku Live do not reflect those of the host, producers, or management. They are solely of individuals providing them and do not represent or reflect the official policy or position of this YouTube channel.